This is another example of some deferred maintenance I'm going to take care of before I refinance this house. This has looked like this for 9 years, this damaged or wood rot on the side of the house. So I'm going to replace this board, one above it. This has got to be, there's some wood rot there. I got to dig it out and put some more, probably glue some wood in there, 2x4 stud, part of a stud. And then here, there's some nails behind this wood trim here. I'll cut those out, and I'm going to glue another, or secure another vertical stud here, along here, so I have backing along here. Hey, yeah, there, what are you doing? Backing along there that I can attach the new boards to. So that'll be my next little project here. So I'm ready to patch this one corner of the house. This one that's been like this for 9 years or whatever. So I'm going to take a jigsaw. I'm going to cut this right here. I'm sure to pry that board out. And then I'm going to use like a drill or a Dremel to get back in there, get behind this trim piece of the door, and grind out the remainder with this board here. Open up that cavity, get the nails out of there, and I'll be ready to put those panels back in there again, that wood siding. Also, this board, this is rotted out quite a bit. See that coming out right there? So I got to grind this out until I get to the end of the rot, and then I'm going to use construction adhesive caulk to put another section of board in there. Wow, there's a lot of rot there. But anyway, grind that out and get another board in there.